Okay, I've received a new radiator for my truck. After 13 years, it's time for a new. And so I wanted to inspect the new radiator before I started on the project. I did pull it out of the box. Everything looks fine there. Also wanted to look at the transmission line fittings to make sure I know both how to remove the old transmission lines as well as then to reinstall them into this new radiator. These radiators come with this adapter here that has a little spring clip in the middle there. This will focus. Yeah, so you can see a little spring clip that will hold the fitting in place. In order to remove the existing fitting, I'm going to have to put a small screwdriver or a pick to pull that current spring out to let the transmission line fitting come out of there. The end of that does look much like this component here. Before I install this new radiator, I'm going to twist this in and cinch it down against the radiator, but to do that I do need to hold the bottom part with a wrench to make sure the lower part doesn't move and risk breaking any seal that's there against the plastic housing. And then I'm going to, as I'm holding this, cinch down the top component there. Of course, then I'll install the radiator, and then one of the last connection pieces will be to reinstall the transmission lines, which again go in there just like this. And once you put it in there and push it down hard, it's supposed to snap into place and be there for the life of the radiator.